everyone, my name is Dennis, and today I have for you my pantry cleaning and organization. This is my second cleaning video, and my first one I'll go ahead and link in the description below. It was a kitchen cleanup, and then I'll also post it at the end of the video. If you want to see more cleaning videos like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. So yeah, join me as I clean my pantry. Past weekend I went to IKEA and I got these bins and this shelf. The shelf was $5.99. The smaller bin was $2.79. The larger bin was $4.50, and the tall bins were $4.99. So I spent a little under $25 for all of them. So I've been putting off cleaning out my pantry for a while now, so there's a lot of things that were pretty much completely eaten but not thrown away, and a few things that were expired. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through everything in the pantry and then get rid of the stuff that is trash pretty much. Blue bins that we have here, they're actually from my parents' garage. I just found them in there one day and I was like, oh, I can use them. But I wanted to update them. That's why I went to IKEA and I got those other bins. They're nice, heavy-duty bins, and they're cute. So yeah, I will definitely be getting more of them. Fun fact, I kept losing my garlic and I was like wondering where it went, but it was just like lost in the pantry. I found a bunch of garlic. Before putting everything back in the shelves, I went ahead and I wiped down the pantry so it's nice and clean, fresh, clean slate. I couldn't be happier with the shelf that I found. It is so cute and super functional. I was so surprised that the small bin fit right underneath the shelf like perfectly. It is so awesome. I'm so happy with the outcome. ended up keeping the blue bin for plastic bags, and then I used one of the tall bins for like the sandwich bags and stuff like that. And then the big bin I used for snacks. The other tall bin I'm using for pastas, and they fit perfectly. It turned out great. And then I'm still keeping the old black containers that we had before for like the spices and stuff. I'm probably going to replace them in the future. I just didn't have any extra bins. And then the smaller bin I'm using for like dry foods like the rice and little soups and stuff like that. And on top of the shelf, which I love, is just going to be extra stuff like canned food, mac and cheese, whatever. And then I have my baking stuff behind everything. This is after I went shopping, and you can see that the shelf really helped with space, and everything's very easily gotten to. I got way more snacks. Don't go to the store hungry. I repeat, don't go to the store hungry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you pick up those bins, let me know what you think of them. I personally love them. And yeah, I'll be posting my workout Wednesday and then a video on the weekend. So I'll see you then. Bye.